Hello everyone, Jan here today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can spin up a voice AI agent with Neil's workflow templates. So I've already pre-generated this workflow template here for you. What it simply does is like you add a question to it. It's afterwards going to do a RAG search. So we're having this Neil AI agent, and this AI agent, you can set a number of steps. So how many times this agent should iterate and which tools it should use. And we are using this search collection tool, which is our internal RAG tool. So you created a collection, you added all your FAQ and your docs to it, and then the new agent is able to query this information as context to generate an answer based on the question that you put in. Afterwards, convert this to a speech with ElevenLabs, and finally send an email. And if we are going to execute this workflow now, you see that it finally executed and an email has been sent back. And if I go normal to my email inbox, you see here that an email has been generated answering this question, which we just have defined within this workflow. And also a voice note has been sent to us with exactly this text, just like with a specific voice. And you can also train your own voice or create your own voice model within ElevenLabs so that you would answer with your own voice based on your internal documents, specific client questions. And the beauty of Neil is also that you can now, with the chat, adjust your notes. So I said, please adjust the note and use the question, does Neil have an API instead? And as you see now, this also has been updated in this note, does Neil have an API? So it doesn't ask anymore, does Neil do RAG? And we could re-execute this workflow now and it would answer this question. So you see, this is very easy to create like voice notes based on your internal documents using Neil's RAG tool, additionally combining with some voice tools such as ElevenLabs to finally send an email. And currently we are doing this manually, but additionally how we can even more elevate this workflow is that we are using a trigger. So we could use this new email received trigger and use this instead of the manual trigger. So every time we receive a new email, this would actually then query the needed documentation to find specific documentation to answer the question that the user has, in case the user may have some customer request questions. And we answer in the end also with voice again, just answering the client request. So you see, this is an automated way of doing customer support with voice AI agents set up within minutes already. We just use this template, get started, and we're excited to see what you're building. Cheers.